Are you tired of that title bar taking up valuable space in your IntelliJ IDEA? You're not alone. Today, we're going to explore how to hide that title bar and make your workspace cleaner and more efficient. I totally get it. That title bar can feel completely useless, especially when all the information you need is already in the navigation bar. It's like having a guest who overstays their welcome. You just want them to leave. So, here's the question we're tackling today. One user asked if it's possible to hide the main window title bar in IntelliJ IDEA, similar to how it looks in NetBeans. If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around. Let's understand the issue a bit better. The title bar in IntelliJ IDEA shows the project name and other details. But if you're not using that information, it can just take up space. We'll show you how to reclaim that space. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a quick tip at the end that will enhance your IntelliJ experience even further. To hide the main window title bar in IntelliJ IDEA, the user should first open the IDE and navigate to the Settings menu. Next, the user should look for the Appearance settings. This is where they can find options related to the user interface. In the Appearance settings, the user should find an option labeled Hide Title Bar. They need to check this option to remove the title bar. After enabling the option, the user should apply the changes and restart IntelliJ IDEA to see the effect. Finally, the user can enjoy a cleaner workspace without the title bar taking up space, similar to the layout in NetBeans. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of IntelliJ IDEA was released back in 2001? It's come a long way since then, just like our ability to customize it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who suggests using the No Title Bar GNOME extension. This extension works on Linux and can hide the title bar for all applications, not just IntelliJ IDEA. Now, let's see a response from a different user. For macOS users, there's an alternative solution to hide the title bar in IntelliJ IDEA. You can use the Hide Title Bar plugin. While it effectively removes the title bar, be aware that the traffic light buttons may slightly overlap with the navigation bar. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. Another user has provided an alternative solution. They mention that this issue will be resolved in version 2020.03. Specifically, there will be an option to disable merging the main menu into the window title. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution to hide the title bar in IntelliJ IDEA involves using the registry settings. First, press Ctrl-Alt-Shift and the / key together. Then, select Registry from the menu. Next, turn off the IDE.frame decoration key. Finally, restart the IDE to apply the changes. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly explore the settings in IntelliJ IDEA. You might find other features that can enhance your productivity. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the title bar in IntelliJ IDEA. Remember, customizing your workspace can make a big difference in your productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.